When you picture a black hole, you probably imagine a silent, invisible cosmic vacuum cleaner, a massive entity that just sits perfectly still in the dark, quietly waiting to swallow up anything that wanders too close. The gravity inside these pockets of space is incredibly strong. Not even light can manage to get out. But this image of silent, static suffering hides a much more volatile reality. Deep beneath that calm, dark exterior, a massive amount of pressure is constantly building up. Eventually, that pressure reaches a breaking point. The silence shatters, and these dark vacuums violently explode in a massive cosmic eruption. To see exactly how much damage an exploding black hole can do, we have to travel deep into the cosmos. There, we can witness the aftermath of an eruption so incredibly massive, it breaks our human capacity to comprehend scale. Our destination is a distant galaxy cluster, sitting roughly 390 million light-years away from Earth. At the center of this cluster sits a supermassive black hole that for a very long time appeared to be completely dormant. To understand what happened here, we have to drop the idea of a black hole acting as a passive cosmic drain. Under the right conditions, these supermassive giants operate like massive galactic volcanoes. Think of a towering terrestrial volcano here on Earth. For centuries, magma and hot gases churn deep underground, relentlessly building up mechanical pressure until the mountain finally blows its top. Black holes go through a similar cycle of internal stress and release. These supermassive eruptions eject absolutely enormous amounts of pure, terrifying energy directly into the surrounding space. Imagine setting off a cosmic firecracker in the middle of a thick cloud of smoke. The sheer force of the energy blast instantly rips through the surrounding cosmos, forcefully pushing all the nearby gas and stellar material outward. The result of this violent outward push is a giant empty bubble in space. The eruption clears out the surrounding material entirely, tearing a permanent, gaping hole into the architecture of the galaxy. Back here on Earth, scientists recently detected the exact borders of the void left behind by this historic cosmic eruption. Finding a dark, empty pocket of space millions of light-years away requires highly sensitive equipment. Researchers pointed advanced radio telescopes, like these white satellite dishes, and X-ray observatories at that cluster 390 million light-years away, mapping the blast's dimensions. When the researchers finally calculated the volume of this empty bubble, the final numbers broke every single astronomical record on the books. This distant cosmic graveyard is definitively the absolute largest crater ever discovered by humanity in the entire known universe. To grasp the size of this void, we need a baseline. Our home, the Milky Way galaxy, is so massively sprawling that if you shine a beam of light from one edge, it takes 100,000 years for that beam to reach the opposite side. Now, look at this graphic modeling the blast radius. You can comfortably fit 15 entire Milky Way galaxies inside. Rotating the 3D volume, the massive scale is clear. 15 sprawling star systems swallowed by a single wound. When the universe decides to throw a violent temper tantrum, our massive, sprawling home is proven to be nothing more than a microscopic speck of dust floating in the debris. It is a humbling realization. We live in a cosmos defined by wildly extreme, terrifyingly explosive forces hiding in the dark. If a single waking monster can unleash enough pure energy to carve out a grave large enough to swallow 15 entire galaxies, we have to ask, what else is sleeping out there in the dark? If exploring the extreme limits of a cosmos gave you chills today, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop a like on the video. Let me know in the comments what giant space mystery you want us to tackle next. I'll see you in the next episode.